going to have a wee look at a budgeting question then. So this one's talking about train prices, and we're going to look at how much it's going to cost this family to take a train journey and whether or not they have saved up enough money to do exactly what they want to do. Okay, so the first part then. We've got two types of seats. We've got non-flexible and flexible. And you have your standard premier, and you have business. Children pay up to 13%. No, try again. Children up to the age of 13 pay 60% of the adult fare. Travel insurance is also available at £50. Children up to the age of 12 pay 60% of the insurance premium. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Fuller and their children aged 9 and 11 want to travel from Edinburgh to London. They decide to buy standard flexible tickets. Standard flexible tickets, this one here. They buy travel insurance for all the family. They pay by credit card. So £2 fee is going to be added to all credit card transactions. They have budgeted £240. Have they budgeted enough? Let's see then. Okay, we've got 2 adults going, 2 children going. So let's start with the 2 adults. 2 adults would be 2 times the 65, which would be £130. Both children are under 13, so both children get 60% off the adult fare. It makes no difference whether you do this as 2 children or you do it as 1 child and double it. I'm going to do it as 2 children because we've already got the total for 2 of these, so we might as well. So for the 2 children then, I need to find 60% of 130 because they're going to pay 60% of that. 60%. Percentage don't change just because we're doing it a different kind of question now. Still divide by 100 times by 130. Oh, lost my calculator and scribbled on the sheet. Try again. Right, 60 divided by 100 would be 0.6 times the 130 would be £78. Instead of them paying £130, they're paying £78. Okay, so total for the tickets will be that 130 plus the 78, which is £208. Okay, travel insurance then. Travel insurance is £50 per person, and they all want to buy travel insurance. And children up to the age of 12 pay 60% of the insurance premium. So for the 2 adults, it's going to cost us £100. The 2 children are going to pay 60% of that. 60% of 100 would be 60. So the travel insurance cost £160. Seems an awful lot for insurance, doesn't it? Okay, their total cost then, which I really don't need to work out because I've seen that I've gone way over my budget already. So my total cost is my 208 plus my 160 plus 2, which would be £340. So no, they have not budgeted enough. And when you're answering this question, you're assuming that the person marking it is really, really stupid and doesn't know why they haven't budgeted enough. And you use your numbers in the question. So they have not budgeted enough since since it will cost £340, they are £100 short. Okay, let's try the next one. This time we're looking at FED. So we're looking at 2 types of seat on an aeroplane, coach and business, and these are the fares for one adult to fly from Glasgow to Madrid. Children up to the age of 12 pay 80% the adult fee. Travel insurance is £20 per person. Children up to the age of 12 pay 60% of the insurance premium. Okay, so Mr. Wheel and their children, who are 4 and 7, want to fly from Glasgow to Madrid. They decide to buy an afternoon business flight. So afternoon business flight would be this one. They also buy travel insurance for all 4 people in their party. How much will it cost them? Okay, looking at the tickets to begin with. It's £140 per person. Times it by 2 for the adults, that'd be 280. Children pay 80% of that. It's 80% of 280, 80 divided by 100 times 280, which is £224. Insurance. Insurance is £20 per person, so it's going to be £40 for the adults. Children paying 60% of that. 60% of 40% as ever, divide by 100 times by the amount would be £24. So in total for insurance, it would be £64. So the total cost is going to be £224 plus £64, which would be £288. Okay, I'll leave you to try some of these.